cool setup. I always like that.
I mean, it's super simple, and it's kept us going. Like, this is the 9th race for us.
Hey, boss.
Hey.
Good luck, man. What time did you get off?
5:30.
Seriously?
Yep. Dude, I don't fuck around on race day, man.
Heading over to the driver's meeting. Brad seems to be all together.
We have high hopes. We have high hopes.
It's 8 o'clock. We have an hour till game time. I mean, race time. And I don't know. Looks like someone's car got tagged with a whole bunch of stuff. Amanda must have been sleeping on the job. Oh well. What's that?
It's RTR. Ready to
Fucking
race.
sweet. Did someone harness me up?
Yeah, man.
Dude.
Kill it.
First gear here. We're going to take first gear and go only 10 miles an hour. Over.
This is incredible.
This is what I wanted the drone to always be, you know? We're up on the bridge at Thompson. We're just, you know, getting some vitamin D, having the sun heat us up a little bit. But we're here to watch Derek, who's out there for the first stint. There he goes. And with that giant hole in the muffler, she sure sounds mean. So he's moved us up a bunch of spots in B. And then it's our job just to keep us up there and improve. So hopefully we can do that. Everybody's got to stay on top of their game today for sure. I think the muffler just was like rattling itself loose. Our buddy Jeremy just called me to tell me that the car's making a crazy noise. But there's a hole the size of Texas in our muffler right now, and I think that's the reason why. He just came down the front straight, sounded okay, and I'm sure he's on the gas because it's a green. So yeah, we got about 15 minutes, and then Big John goes in the car. Live stream seems to be working. Derek did a freaking fantastic job. I think we're up to like 1,000 people watching. It's amazing. And let's go racing. It's also very hot. 130. Yeah, nice and easy, nice and easy. And see what the water situation is. Is there an alternator belt on the car right now? We lost the alternator belt. We lost a bolt in the radiator. I mean, in the water alternator. In the alternator, and it loosened up the alternator so that it wasn't allowing the water pump to circulate the water. So we overheated. Hopefully we can save it. Hopefully the head's still not melted together.
Yeah, it is.
Did you test fit the bolt like without the alternator in there to see if it goes in that hole?
Yeah. First time. Pull it out.
It probably.
It works perfect.
All right, great. I wonder if I mean we must have missed it tightening it up when we put all the shit back together.
Yeah,
it's possible. That's the whole reason the high water temps. Otherwise, we'd be at 190 and you'd be out there. So you're ready to go back out, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
The prognosis. There's lots
Another
of
blown head
We
gasket.
lost the
lots of missing stuff.
lost the devalve on the alternator slash water pump.
I can see the water.
Yep.
Well, I just undid the
Okay.
So now we gotta. This is my guy with the new head.
Potential signs of life or no?
I feel the head's fucked. We pegged it.
It was warm.
And, well, it was only warm because our water pump stopped spinning.
That tends to.
Come on, Jay. He's got a bunch of heads. Talk to this guy.
Hey, bud, how's it going?
So we're here with Walter at 5-Speed Auto. Walter has saved us. We just blew our second head gasket in 24 hours, and Walter has had saved it. So
He's the man.
You're gonna meet my son, he built this at 13 years old. Look at that fucking car, man. With the head air right and shit in it, you know?
I love it.
13 years old. I was gonna pop that car out. He fucking said, no way.
Walter, we love you, man.
All
Thank
right,
you so
see
much.
guys.
Walter, see you, dude.
Have a great day.
Well, we're back in the garage, and Jay and John had taken the head off when Derek and I went and picked up the head gasket. The new head gasket is already on the car. Jay has put it on. There's about 2 hours left to race it.
We'll see if we get there.
Yeah, well, good chance we'll get out today. We're just trying to fix the valve cover. There's some oil leaking. We just replaced everything. I'm going to go out there soon, but we'll see how that goes. We have 42 minutes left in the race, so if I do go, it'll just be a quick little stint. But we'll see how that goes.
Hey, watch your tab, watch your oil pressure, watch all your stuff. This is just a shakedown, you're not racing. We just finished the third head gasket. Mark's in the car for the last 30 minutes of the day. We thought we had him out, and if you see there's a big oil spill somewhere, that was one of the tappet cover nuts. Studs was stripped. So we used a regular bolt, tighten it down that way. Mark's going out right now. We did it, we finished day one.
We finished day one. I mean,
How'd you end up feeling?
she felt pretty good at the end. She felt
You
really
did
good.
it like a 130 something. You were moving.
I wasn't pushing.
Once I tightened up the base, did it help?
Not at first, and then I was like, what the fuck? So I started going down the straightaway, and I was in third gear, and I'm at like
I saw you
55 or
hit that.
6.
I saw you misfit there.
That was earlier, yeah. And then I finally shifted into fourth. I'm like, this is awesome, we're in fourth. And then I'm like, I went to go to fifth, and I thought it was in fifth, but it was like, there's, getting to fifth, it's like it doesn't go over. There's something.
Yeah, we'll look at it. I mean, the base may be off still. Let's take the hood off. John Cooper, rocking the Suzuki gun, gasoline, 200 gallons of gasoline right behind him. Look at him go. Mark heated his back rack for 4 hours.